Welcome back, cruisers. It's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're going to be exploring a Sunset Junior Suite on board Royal Caribbean's Legend of the Seas. Now, before booking, be sure to contact your favorite Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link below for exclusive rates, onboard credit, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Booking a Sunset Junior Suite bumps you up into Royal Caribbean's prestigious Sky Class. This upgrade unlocks a whole new level of VIP access on board. You'll have access to all-day dining at the suite-only restaurant Coastal Kitchen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You'll also gain full access to the private suite lounge featuring complimentary beer, wine, sodas, and happy hour cocktails, alongside the exclusive suite sun deck, The Grove, which is a gorgeous quiet oasis on top with light bites throughout the day. On top of that, you'll enjoy complimentary 24-hour room service, priority departure, and prime reserve seating in the theater for those Broadway-style shows. Best of all, you'll have a dedicated concierge team on hand to personally take care of all your show reservations, specialty dining, and port excursions, giving you a completely seamless, stress-free vacation from start to finish. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first step inside the suite, on the wall you'll spot your main temperature control. This digital touchscreen gauge is incredibly high-tech, acting as your thermostat and the central lighting control for the entire suite. Just inside the living space is a small desk that doubles as a vanity. The desk opens up to reveal your hairdryer tucked inside, and this desk area is equipped with a combo plug, Euro plug, USB, and USB-C ports for charging your devices. And next to the vanity is a full-length mirror. Across from the vanity, you'll find a refreshment station that houses your Lavazza coffee maker, which comes fully stocked with a selection of espresso and tea. The mini fridge is tucked directly below, and the upper cabinet houses your digital room safe. Right next to the cabinet is your first closet featuring hanging storage, additional open shelving, and your upgraded suite bathrobes and slippers. Stepping inside the bathroom, you'll immediately notice that this is a rather impressive size for a junior suite. You're greeted by a large vanity featuring a large backlit mirror with built-in open shelving on both sides to keep your daily essentials organized. Right on the side, you'll have two standard US outlets with drawers down below to tuck your smaller items away. They've also introduced wide open storage cubbies underneath those drawers if you need some extra space. Directly across from the vanity is your shower tub combo, equipped with an adjustable shower wand up above and a built-in retractable clothesline to dry out everyone's swimsuits. This tub is a great addition for families who need that dedicated bath space for the kids in the evening. Plus, because you're in a suite, the space is stocked with premium upgraded Malin & Getz bath amenities, which is a wonderful high-end touch. Heading into the bedroom space, you're greeted by an upgraded Royal King bed with premium linens. And if you're traveling with friends or family, this can easily be split into two twin beds instead of one large bed. On both sides are small nightstands with drawers to tuck smaller items away, and on both sides of the bed you'll have standard US outlets alongside USB and USB-C ports for charging. On the far side of the bed is a second closet with hanging storage and a pull-down bar to double the hanging storage if you need it. For families traveling with more than 2 guests, these Sunset Junior Suites feature a cozy sofa that converts into additional bedding. If you have 3 passengers, the 3rd guest would sleep on the top of the sofa bed, and the 4th would utilize the pull-out tucked underneath the sofa. And next to the couch is a great selection of outlets, including a combo, Euro plug, as well as USB and USB-C ports, which come in handy for dad naps or anyone utilizing this as a sleeping area. Mounted above the couch is an interactive flat panel smart TV, which is loaded with live TV channels, ship information, and on-demand movies. Lastly, stepping outside onto your large aft-facing balcony. These junior suite balconies are deep enough to comfortably house a full-size outdoor dining table set for 4, alongside a plush lounge chair with a matching ottoman. One Vacationeer tip is that there are 2 very different view options for these suites, even though they are both in the aft. Some of them open to the Surfside family neighborhood, and others are more side-facing, which are a bit more private. But both feature those amazing aft views, making this the ultimate spot to enjoy your morning Lavazza espresso, share an outdoor family breakfast, or simply kick back with your feet to soak up those gorgeous side-facing or aft-facing ocean views no matter where you're sailing in the world. As we know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there is something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. And if you enjoyed this sweet tour, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out the other videos on our channel for all of your cruise content. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and I hope to see you all out on the high seas on board Royal Caribbean sometime soon, perhaps having a perfect day at Coco Cay.